Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for my new recipes. So guys, today I'm going to make pigs in a blanket, but I'm not going to use regular sausage.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I will be using these field roast smoked sage grain meat sausage. The recipe is very easy and it only takes 3 ingredients. One of them is the field roast smoked apple sage sausage, which is a plant-based sausage. First time trying these sausages, so we will be trying them together. Ingredient is 1 can of Pillsbury crescents, which I call croissant. Ingredient, I have some organic cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. 2 of the 3 sausages for this recipe. First, I need to remove the casing for the sausages. I need to highlight that the casing on these sausages are totally different from regular sausages. These casings are made out of a plastic material. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my sausages by removing the casing. So guys, I'm prepping my sausages by removing the plastic wrapper. And this is what they look like without the wrapper. I'm preheating 1 teaspoon of olive oil on medium heat. Once my oil is ready, I'm going to pan fry both sausages until they are brown. I'm using a flat spatula to roll the sausages occasionally so that all the sides are brown and cooked. I'm making sure to keep a close eye on those sausages because they do not have the same texture as regular sausages. My sausages are starting to get that golden brown tint, so they're almost done. Once they're done, I'm going to set them aside so they can cool down, and I'm going to preheat my oven at 375. This is how the sausages look after I have pan fried them. I'm going to use a paper towel to pat dry some of the olive oil, and I'm going to set them aside so that they can continue cooling. Whilst the sausages are cooling, I'm going to remove the croissants out of the can. Yeah, Pillsbury is on the loose. I'm pulling on the small tab and I'm removing the wrapper from around the whole can. So there are instructions to use a spoon to press down on the seam to pop the can open, but I'm going to use my thumb. Now that my can is popped, I'm removing my croissant dough and placing it on a clean surface. So now I am slowly rolling out my dough, and I'm using my fingers to carefully detach the dough whilst I roll it. If you guys look closely, there are several dotted line triangle patterns. I have 4 triangle patterns on each side, which gives me a total of 8. So guys, I will be making 8 pigs in a blanket. Once my dough is rolled out, I'm measuring my sausage with the width of the bottom of the triangle. I'm cutting my sausage into pieces, and I'm using that first piece as a guide to cut the other pieces. So guys, this is what the inside of the sausage looks like after it has been cooked, and it smells amazing. And look at the texture. I'm placing my pieces of sausages into a bowl. I'm going to detach a triangle from my rolled out dough. I was going to use my pizza cutter, but I decided to use my dough cutter. Now that I have my triangle, I place a piece of sausage at the bottom of my dough and I'm going to roll it all the way to the top of the dough. I'm using my fingers to twirl the ends. I'm placing it in a lightly greased pan. I'm going to continue that same step until I have used all the dough and all the pieces of sausages. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried these field roast smoked sage sausage or any other plant-based sausage. My pigs in the blanket are all prepped, so I'm going to bake them on 375 for about 9 minutes until they are brown. Guys, here are my pigs in the blanket, fresh out of the oven. They smell amazing, they came out perfect, and they taste delicious. This was a simple, quick, and affordable under $10 recipe. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.